Cause you had my mind blown, oh. Cause you had my mind blown, oh.
Business. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya M, aka Diablo Verde. For those who are new here and do not know me, stick around. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more reviews on the latest, craziest wigs and some awesome makeup tutorials. Stick around and then hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new videos. I do upload very often. So for my girls who love the colored wigs, y'all know I always bring those. I do have, I think, one natural color wig coming up, like a week or two. But this channel mainly focuses on the crazy colored wigs, as you can see. Okay, all right, so just stick around. Okay, so this wig is a newer unit by Bobbi Boss. Okay, and her name is Evonie, or Evonie. I said Yvonne. Her name is Evonie, and I have her in the color Aqua. It is a premium synthetic wig, 5-inch deep lace parts. It has lace around the perimeter, and it comes with baby hair, so I did lace some of the baby hairs. It is heat safe. It doesn't say how high you can put heat on there, but I'm guessing around, like I said, I never go above 320 degrees for synthetic wigs. It does come in some other interesting colors. There's a mustard colors for those who want a mustard colored wig. It is TS2/BLS gray, so I'm guessing, oh, I think like some of them, like one side is a color, so you have apricot on one side, gray on the other, on one side, stuff like that, and blonde on one side. I wanted this one aqua color. It was so interesting. I thought it was such a pretty color because it's an aqua. It's like a light blue, but it's not a cool tone light blue. It's a warm tone light blue. So I thought it would really go great with my complexion. I even paired my makeup with it. Yeah, so I did not pluck the part. I can't find my tweezers, and since I have nails now, it's like I have to get my tweezers to get in here. I do think it needs to be plucked a little bit. I did not add any powder either. I think if you pluck it enough, you won't need to add powder. Especially, I would definitely pluck it a little bit more towards the front right here. It's a little bit too tight right here, and it should be more open in that area. I didn't really care to pluck the hairline but the hairline is kind of okay. It's okay. I didn't want to pluck the hairline because I mean I want to wear the bang like this. Every time I do that, I get the hair in my eye and it hurt. But I wanted to keep the bang like this. I thought the bang was really cute and really fetch. That's the word that came to mind. I know that's like back, I don't know, was it Mean Girls had that word? Anyways, it has a little doop-wop size right here. I thought that was really cute. It's very retro. It's very 40s era, maybe 60s. I'm not sure what the styles were back then. This finger wave over here reminds me of 40s, and this reminds me of like the 60s and stuff, but it meshes together really well. This bang reminds me of the bang from The Devil Wears Prada. I can't remember her name, but she was a boss. I mean, she literally was a boss, but she was a boss in that movie. I really loved her. But Meryl Streep, I think that's her name. That style, but it's really good. I love this wig. Let me go around. Let me turn around and show y'all the back. So she's really thick. I do like that because you can't see any tracks. It is a yaki textured wig. I love that because the style is definitely going to be there. It's definitely full. Nothing I can complain about this wig. I will wear this out, not to work, but I would wear this out like when I was going out with you know, going on a date or something, or I wanted to really get dressed up. And it matches my outfit today that I got from AliExpress. I think I wore this. Yeah, I wore this. It's just the top and then the skirt to match, the long skirt. I wore it in my video for Valentine's Day, my Valentine's Day get ready with me. I'll post a link above for that too. Okay, but I have nothing bad to say about this wig. Cap construction, there's 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back with adjustable straps, so it's really good, nice cap construction for this type of wig. And like I said, it's ear to ear lace, so even if you wanted to pull this back, you can, and you're not going to see a whole bunch of like tracks, you know. Tell me what y'all think about it down in the comments below. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You can also follow me on my social media. I'm mostly on Instagram, but I'll post all of them down in the link and put the links down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye.